Welcome to a quick video on exercise 7D. Exercise 7D is all about polygons. So let's get started. What is a polygon? It's a two-dimensional shape which has only straight sides. Okay, so triangle is a polygon, square is a polygon, mainly because they can have any number of sides, doesn't matter. The point is it only has straight sides, no curved sides. Okay, so polygon, 2D shape plus straight sides only. Okay, that's a polygon. Now, if you have a polygon, then it has some special properties. For example, the sum of the internal angles of a polygon. So, for example, let's look at these two polygons. What is the sum of all of the angles which are on the inside? So, if you had A, B, and C, those angles, and you added them together, what would be the result? I mean, we know it's 180, but we're going to come up with a rule for all polygons, even the ones we're not, super familiar with. For example, a hexagon. What are all these angles added together? What do they give you? Okay, and so a square, hexagon. So what's the rule? The rule is number of sides, and I'm going to call n as number of sides. So n, let n be the number of sides. N is the number of sides. N minus 2 times 180. So number of sides minus 2 times 180. So for example, this square, how many sides? It's got 4 sides. 4 minus 2 times 180. And we know that's going to be 360. But what about a hexagon? It's got 6 sides. 6 minus 2 times 180. That's 4 times 180. And we can do that on a calculator pretty quickly. So 4 times 180 gives us 720 equals 720. And there you have it. So the number of sides minus 2 times 180 will tell you the sum of all of the inside angles. You add up all the inside angles together. What do you get? You get number of sides minus 2 times 180. It can be any polygon, any two-sided figure which has straight sides only. Moving on. What's the difference between a regular polygon and irregular polygon? Well, a regular polygon has all sides and angles equal. So all sides plus angles equal. So it's the difference between, like for example, you can have many different types of triangles. Scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and the only regular triangle would be the equilateral triangle because it has all sides and angles equal. Okay, and you can have many types of four-sided figures, but the only regular polygon out of them is the square because it's the only one with all sides and all angles equal. Okay, a regular polygon doesn't have that stuff, all sides and angles equal. Regular polygon has all sides and angles equal. An irregular polygon doesn't have all sides and angles equal. Okay, moving on. Exterior angles of a polygon. What do we mean by, first of all, an exterior angle? So for example, we're going to use this shape, pentagon. So the idea here is if you pick any side, and let's say we pick, for example, and I'll do it in red. So I'm going to extend this side and I'm going to extend it on. Notice that I've extended it on and I have created an angle here, A. Similarly, let's extend the next side and I've created another angle, B. Let's extend this side and notice I've created angle C, and I can extend this side and I've created an angle D, and I'm going to extend this side and I've created an angle E. Notice I have not extended any one side more than once. Every side has been extended only once. And the exterior angles of a polygon add to 360. The exterior angles of a polygon add to 360 degrees. Could be any polygon, doesn't matter. The exterior angles of the polygon will add to 360 degrees. Triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, doesn't matter. They all add up to 360 degrees. So keeping the above in mind, let's do some worked examples. So for this polygon, find the angle sum and then the value of x. Well, the angle sum, let's figure out the angle sum. The inside angles of a polygon add to n minus 2 times 180, where n is the number of sides. How many sides here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 sides here, okay? So we'll do 6 minus 2, and 6 minus 2 times 180. Ignore the calculator. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 times 180 gives us 720 degrees. So the angle sum, the sum of the angles inside is going to be 720. And so to find x, we can just do 720 minus, and we'll subtract all of those other numbers. So 100 minus 150 minus 90, don't forget that one, that's 90, minus 130, minus 140, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, sounds to be right. That will give us x. And x, what will it be? Well, let's do it. 720 minus 100, minus 150, minus 90, minus 130, minus 140, and it gives us 110, 110 degrees. And done. Moving on. Shown here is a regular pentagon with straight edge, side lengths of 7 centimeters. So it's a regular pentagon, all of the sides are 7 centimeters. The perimeter of the pentagon, well, pentagon, there's 5 sides, right? 5 times 7, each of them is 7, and there's 5 of them, 5 times 7. 5 times 7 is equal to 35 centimeters. Find the total internal angle sum. Well, it's number of sides minus 2. Number of sides is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 times 180, and that should give 540 degrees. Find the size of each interior angle. Well, all of them are going to add together to get 540, and there's 5 of them, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they're all equal. So 540 divided by 5 should give what? Let's just do it. 540. So I'll just double check my previous answer as well. Yeah, it was 540. So I'll do 540 divided by 5 to give 108 degrees. Each of them is going to be 108 degrees. Find the size of each exterior angle y. Well, there's going to be 5 exterior angles because remember, we extend every line. And there's 5 lines. So if we extend 5 lines, there are going to be 5 angles. So, and they're going to add to 360. All the exterior angles add to 360. And there's 5 of them. So just divide by 5. And let's see what we get. 360 divided by 5 gives us 72 degrees. 72 degrees. The exterior angles, 72 degrees. Okay, so that's it for today. Any questions whatsoever, you can ask me on Slack. And best of luck with homework and enjoy your Eid class of 2021. And for future students, I'm not sure what you'll have, but I hope you enjoy it anyway. Best of luck.